Squad, back with another video. I'm Recklezz.
And I'm Chris.
We got Peter, Gabriel, Sledgehammer, you feel me? Seen this in the communities tab post a few times, actually. Seen it in the communities tab because I usually put out, you know what I'm saying, the communities tab, what y'all basically want us to react to and stuff like that. Don't matter if it's sports, you know what I'm saying, artists, you know what I'm saying, singing, somebody rapping, fail videos, any of that, you know what I'm saying. Before we get in this video, I want to share a few facts with you. It's a lot though, you know what I'm saying. We got 6 Grammy Awards, 13 MTV Video Music Awards. Let's see here. Time magazine named him one of the 100 most influential people in the world in 1987. Rock and Roll Hall of Fame as a member of Genesis in 2010. You know what I'm saying? Rock and Roll Hall of Fame as a solo artist in 2004. I was gonna get into that though. You know what I'm saying? With the whole the rock band Genesis and stuff like that. Long story short, read that he went solo. You know what I'm saying? That's why I said that. Yeah. That's lit. You know what I'm saying? And Sledgehammer. You know what I'm saying? This got a lot of shit. I mean, you got it ranked number 4 on MTV's 100 greatest music videos ever made, 1999. Okay. Won a record 9 MTV awards at 1987. You know what I'm saying? It's a lot of shit. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Damn, that's crazy.
But it's one song.
One song. You know what I'm saying? Definitely ready to jump in this one. You know what I'm saying? Definitely. But you already know, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's get in the video. Bro, see, I knew I wasn't tripping when I first when that first came on. I was about to say, is that sperm? Some shit. But this video is interesting as hell.
Yeah, the video is like, I'm still trying to pay attention to the lyrics too, but the video. I'm really not even gonna lie, paying attention to the video.
Yeah, facts.
I'm trying to figure it out.
Sometimes when I see stuff that's like a little bit, y'all see me like look over a little bit because I'm trying to hear the lyrics long. I'm still watching it, but I'm trying to, you know what I'm saying, because I don't want to get the wrong idea of these lyrics and stuff like that. He's talking about, you know what I'm saying, obviously sex, you know what I'm saying. You know that? If you really listen what he's saying and stuff like that, you know what I'm saying? Sledgehammer. You know what I'm saying? Listen what he's saying about, you know what I'm saying, the Sledgehammer and the other lyrics he's saying with it.
Yeah,
And then on top of that, you know how I was thinking about that too because of Kevin Hart. The Black Hammer, you know what I'm saying? When he got
that was
so I was like thinking that's why I was like, I don't want to get the wrong idea about this shit, but I'm pretty sure, you know what I'm saying? But it's a smooth ass way, you know what I'm saying, to talk about sexual activities.
Right.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Damn, okay. What is those on the wall though? Shit on. I think it's comment time. You know what I'm saying? Facts. I can't imagine how much work would have gone into making this music video.
That's what I was gonna say.
You was for real?
Yeah, that was gonna be my first thing I said.
Was this shit actually about sex though? Am I tripping?
I don't know.
You know what I'm saying? I really think so though.
I mean, in a way, maybe, but then, I don't know.
I don't know. Y'all let me know in the comments. Nice ass video though. And it was hype. If it is, I'm telling you, that's a damn good way to, you know what I'm saying? I'm telling you, damn good way to put that through there like that.
Yeah,
Pause. You know what I'm saying?
They put a lot of work into the video. I can say that.
For real. Definitely did. How'd you like, you know what I'm saying, the overall, like, you know what I'm saying?
Overall, yeah.
Voice and stuff, and it's pretty lit.
Good, yeah.
Definitely want to hear more of Peter Gabriel.
Yeah, I want to hear a different, like, song.
Yeah, definitely. Y'all heard it best. Make sure y'all hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to comment down below. Let us know. You already know. Catch y'all next one.